Ano ba ang games natin?
Yung games natin is
Doon ka.
what is the correct answer?
What is the correct answer? Yung
Yes.
ano? Oh, sige, sige.
Pantay ba yung square to?
Ah.
Pantay ba yung square nito?
Yes!
No.
Oh, bakit?
You need to get the addition. There's only two right here, two sides. 1, 2. And there's 5 sides.
Four-
That's not. And
4
then
sides lang yung ginawa mo, ah. 4 sides lang yun, eh. It's square.
Hindi, yung line niya.
Yung line?
Oo, dalawa. Yung dito. Yung line niya. At dito ito mas mahaba. Ito mas mababa. Mas kunti lang. At ito mas malayo. Yung isa, pantay lang.
Ako, sige. Sige.
No points to mommy. Gusto
Wala
me.
pa.
Tapos
Kasi hindi ko
mami.
na-gets, eh. Hindi ko na-gets.
Pastakin.
Wala pa. 0 pa. 0. Ito na yung, that's the real na.
Mag-start tayo ng 10. Ako mag-start ng 10 sa'yo. Ikaw mag-start ka ng 6.
Bakit? Bakit ako? Bakit ikaw 10? Ako 6. Ano yun?
Bumaba nga yung score ko.
Back to 0 tayo. Back to 0.
Iyayaw ko.
Back to 0.
Sige.
Sige, back to 0. Ano ba ang challenge?
Okay.
Sabihin mo, bakit kailangan may bulong?
Okay. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6.
Ay, ang dami naman yun.
4 times 6.
4 times 6.
Ay, 6 times 4.
6 times 4. I don't know eh.
6. Ako na. Pass mo sa akin.
Okay.
6, 12, 18, 24.
Ang ba
One point to
yan?
me.
Ganun ba yun?
Oo, gradation ka lang.
Addition?
Oo.
Addition and nag-multiply ka?
Oo, magmumultiply tayo. Okay.
What else?
Next ante. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That's 5 plus 5 plus 5.
Ang dami naman 5 yun!
8 times 5. 5 plus 5 times 8.
Paano add yun? Paano may add yun? Sige.
10.
10?
15. Magbilang ka hanggang 8.
Sige nga, paano
dito
ba?
yung hanggang 8. Hanggang 8. 31.
Sige nga.
5. 10. 15. 20. 25. 30. 35. 40.
Anong sagot?
Bakit titignan mo sa clock?
Sa clock. Okay. Sa clock ka pala nag-ano. Sige. Wala tayong clock dito na. Wala na yung clock. Sige. Ilang points na? Ba yan
I have 2. You have 0.
I have 0?
Yes! You haven't got incorrect in the one.
I need to... What else?
The next challenge is answer the animals.
Animal? Ano?
What is the animals live? Why animals live on the jungle?
Pass. Why?
The jungle.
Why animals
Because the jungle is too hot and they're good to them. In the article, it's too cold. It's gonna freeze to them and they die.
Ano sabi?
The correct answer is
What?
they're in the jungle.
The jungle. Yun pala yun. Where did you get that? Where did you get that?
If they in the article, they will die.
Sa Antarctica, mamamatay sila. Kasi super cold doon. That's why... jungle. Okay.
Jungle's too hot and they're good to them.
It's good to them. Okay, okay. N-E...
Puro magiging strong and strong and strong.
Ang galing oh. Sige, sige. What else? What else?
Ah.
Ilan na? Ilan ang score?
I have a 3, you have a 0.
Ba't ganun? Sige, sige. What
Next
else?
level.
Okay, next level.
Why Earth leads on temperature to 0?
What?
Why Earth in temperature to get to 0?
Earth?
Why internet's gonna not work?
Why internet?
Not gonna work.
Not gonna work? Pass! Bakit? Bakit? Hindi.
Because the internet is no signal because it's brown out.
Diba?
The brown out is no of Wi-Fi you can need it.
Ganun ba yon?
Yeah. The answer is the brown out is no kuryente.
Ganun pala yun. Yun pala yung sagot doon. Saan mo nakuha yun?
I get
Question na yun.
4 and you get 0.
Wow, tatalo na ako. Hindi pwede yan. Babawi ako. Niloloko mo ata ako eh.
Spell helmet.
H-E-L-M-E-T. Helmet.
Correct. You have 1 point.
Okay. What else? What else?
So your own score, you need to pass your own score. Sorry, I'm not gonna. If you pass your own score, you're gonna be a champion.
Okay.
I will lose a point if you complete your high score. If I complete my high score, and you're gonna lose some point.
Okay, okay. What else? What
My
else?
high score is only 2, and I pass it. Now my high score is only 7, and you have 3. Yeah, I did perfect my score.
Okay, okay, go, go, go.
Okay, next riddle. Okay.
The next video is...
Why did we have no bags?
Why?
We have no bags.
I don't know. Why?
Guess. Guess.
Why? I don't know.
Yes.
Huh.
Okay, pass to me.
What? You have bag? You have bag.
If we didn't buy it, we have no bag.
If
So
if I, ano?
If you have no dollars, we cannot buy it, so we have no bag. The correct answer is no money.
No money. Yung pala yun.
I'm the champion. I get 5.
Ayoko na. Matatalo na ako.
Yahoo! Yahoo! Oh, what did you say? Ba't nag-digit ka?